My name is Drew Lamley, and I'm a chef in my own kitchen. If you were to ask me on a scale from 1 to 10 how good I am, let's just put it at 12.
Hi, my name's Devin Boyer, and I'm the head chef at Mother Cluckers.
My name is Blake Kennefit, and I'm the head chef at Whammy Chicken.
Hi, my name is Simon James Alexander Ragnstill III, owner and operator of Big Birds, a 2-star restaurant that populates the South Coast.
I'm Mike Honcho, and I just live right next door. That's it.
This is the extreme egg sandwich.
That looks good. He said he was going for over easy. Looks a little more harder, but we'll go and give it a try.
Who doesn't love looking at a sandwich with no cheese on it?
Cheese would have been good. Ham, turkey, cheese of something. It's just kind of
The unique thing about the sandwich is that you found a way to just take all the flavor out of everything and make it into a pretty bad sandwich, Devin.
Very bland.
Thank you, though.
Someone give me some hot sauce.
It's really good.
A whammy omelet.
It's refreshing. I'm excited to take a bite. Looks good.
There is cheese on the top. That's a good.
And in the middle.
It's hot. Oh,
See, mine didn't burn you.
oh, you're right.
How can you enjoy something that's killing you?
I'm gonna cut it into pieces to let it cool down.
Oh, wow.
It's not bad. It's not bad. I like it.
Would I order it again? Probably not. But, you know, it gets the job done. Nutritious.
Middle school or home alone during the summer.
Definitely in the top pair of sandwiches that we've had today. I don't know quite where, but
Very cheesy.
Would you say too cheesy?
Very cheesy.
You want cheese?
a little dry. It's gonna be a tough one.
I do like this. Yeah, that's good. I've had a lot of good entries. Good chefs.
How do you guys feel after today?
Not good.
You know, I'm feeling pretty solid. They acted like they didn't like my sandwich, but after they tried the other two, they seemed to like it a lot more. And mine's the only dish that both judges finished. So
How are you feeling?
Okay. Not my best work.
Okay.
Yeah, good sandwich.